Way 1. How to get more storage space on Samsung phones by Coolmuster Android Eraser. If you want to remove all your data from your Samsung phone permanently to free up space, Coolmuster Android Eraser is a good choice. Please back up your important files first if you don't want to lose them. Step 1. First, download and install Coolmuster Android Eraser on your computer, then start it. Next, use a USB cable to connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Step 2. Once your Android phone is successfully connected, simply click the Erase button to begin the process. Step 3. Choose your desired security level, low, medium, or high. Once you've made your selection, tap on the OK option to continue. Step 4. After confirming your selection, the program will swiftly scan your Samsung phone to access files and promptly commence the data deletion process. Way 2. How to expand storage on Samsung device by transferring data to computer. You can use Coolmuster Android Assistant to move your Samsung files to a computer. Step 1. Please install the tool on your PC after downloading it, then launch it. Step 2. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer using a data cable or via Wi-Fi. If prompted, please ensure that USB debugging is enabled on your Samsung phone. Step 3. Select the data you wish to transfer, then click Export to initiate the process. Way 3. How to get more storage space on Samsung Galaxy by adding an external SD card. Many Samsung phones support the function of expanding storage space with an external SD card. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and navigate to Apps, Manage Apps. Here, you'll find a list of all the installed applications. Step 2. Choose an application from the list, then tap on Storage followed by the Move to SD card option. This action will transfer both the app and its data to your external storage. Way 4. How to add more storage to my Samsung phone by emptying Recycle Bin. Step 1. Open the Gallery app or My Files app on your Samsung phone. Step 2. In the Gallery app, tap on the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. In the My Files app, tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select the Recycle Bin or Trash option. Step 4. Once you are in the Recycle Bin or Trash folder, you'll see a list of files that have been deleted but not yet permanently removed. Step 5. Tap on the three-dot menu icon or select the More option. Choose the Empty or Empty Trash option from the menu. Way 5. How to add extra storage to my Samsung phone by uninstalling unused apps. Step 1. Navigate to the Settings page on your device and tap on Apps, Manage Apps. Select the app you want to remove from your device and tap Uninstall. Step 2. In the pop-up window, tap OK and wait for the app to be removed from your device. You can also directly uninstall an app from the main interface by long pressing the app you want to uninstall and then selecting Uninstall from the options that appear. Way 6. How to free up storage on Samsung phone by deleting duplicate files. Most of the storage space on the phone is taken up by duplicate photos, videos, and documents. You can manually sift through and delete these duplicate files one by one. You can also easily identify and clean up these files using a file manager or dedicated duplicate file removal tool to increase Samsung phone storage. Way 7. How to increase Samsung phone storage by clearing app cache. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone and scroll down to select apps. Step 2. Tap on the app you wish to clear the cache for, then select Storage. Step 3. Within the Storage menu, tap on Clear Cache to remove the app's temporary files and junk data.